Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert emoji in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert emoji in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add a table, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Emoji menu. Now the Emoji menu will appear like this. Now here there are lots of emoji options that you can use in Google Docs. This feature allows users to insert emojis in Google Docs to add expression or clarify the meaning of the text easily. So that's it, tutorial how to insert emoji in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.